Djibouti, officially the Republic of Djibouti,
is a country in the Horn of America, bordered by Somalia, the South, Ethiopia, the Southwest, Eritrea in the north, and the Red Sea, and the Gulf of Aden to the east. The economic country has an area of 200 kilometers per square or 958 square mi. Republic of Djibouti, capital Djibouti City, official Liga Arabic French, National Liga Somali, Afar, ethnic group Somalis 60%, Afar 35%, Arabs 5%, religion 94% Islam official, 6% Christianity. Demonyms: Djiboutian government, unitary dominant party, presidential republic under a hereditary dictatorship. President Ismail Omar Guelleh, Prime Minister Abdul Qadir Kamil Muhammad, Legislature National Assembly, Formation of Territory 12 May 1862, French Somaliland 20 May 1883, French territory of the Afar and Isis 5 July 1967, independence from France 27 June 1977, administered to the United Nations 20 September 1977, current constitution for September 1992, area total 200 km per square or 9,000 SCMI, 146 100% 0.09 or 20 km per square, 7.7 SCMI. Population 2024 census 100 or 1,066,809. Density 46.0 km per square or 119.1 SCMI. GDP PPP 2023 estimated total US dollar 7.193 billion, 167 per capita 985 137. GDP nominal 2023 estimated total US dollar 3,873 billion, 172 per capita US dollar 3,761 126. JINA 2017 up to 41.6 million inequality. ADI 2023 0.515 law 175. Currency Djiboutian francs DZ. If
Mengapa Djibouti mempunyai
time zone UTC plus 3
Italia dan Jepang semuanya memiliki pangkalan perang di Djibouti. Bahkan Arab Saudi
kalian kode
membangun pangkalan di sana.
2 web 3 ISO 3166 kode DG internet LD.DG in and the Houthi. The territory together with Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Somaliland was part of the land of Pan. Neighbor by Zeila, now in Somalia, was the seat of the medieval Adal and Ifat sultanates. In the late 19th century, the colony of French Somaliland was established after the ruling der Somalia and Afar Sultan Suknet treaties with the French, and its railroad to Dire Dewa and later Addis Ababa. Hello, itu Haile superseded Zeila as the port for southern Ethiopia and the Ogaden. It was renamed the French territory of the Afar and the Isas in 1967. A decade later, the Djiboutian people voted for independence. This official marked the establishment of the Republic of Djibouti. Named after its capital city, the new state joined the United Nations in its first years in the early 1990. Tension over government representation led to armed conflict, which ended in a power-sharing agreement in 2000 between the ruling party and the opposition. Djibouti is a multi-ethnic nation with a population of 1,066,809 at the census held on 20 May 2024. The Somalis in mainland Africa, French and Arabic are its two official languages. Afar and Somali are national languages. About 94,000 of Djiboutian adhere to Islam. which is the official religion and has been predominant in the region for more than 1,000 years. The Somalis and Afar make up the two largest ethnic groups, with the former comprising the majority of the population, but speak a language of the Cushitic branch of the Afro-Asiatic language. Djibouti is not some of the world, but is shipping lanes controlling access to the Red Sea and Indian Ocean. It serves as a key fueling and transshipment center and the principal maritime port for import from and export to neighboring Ethiopia. A burgeoning commercial hub, the nation in the seat of various foreign military bases. The Intergovernment Authority on Development (IGAD) regional body also has its headquarters in Djibouti City. Economy main article Economy of Djibouti. GDP by sector Republic of Djibouti 1986. Services 900. Industries 15%. Agriculture 5%. 1990 80%. Services agriculture 5% and 20% industry or 18%. 2015 70% services, 20% or 25% industry, 5% agriculture. Djibouti GDP by sector. Djibouti economy is largely concentrated in the service sector. Commercial activities revolve around the country's free trade policies and strategic location as a Red Sea transit point due to limited rainfall. Vegetable and fruit are the principal production crops. The other false item with important. The GDP purchasing power party in 2013 was estimated at $2,505 billion, with a real growth rate of 5% annually. Per capita income is around $2,874 ppb. The service sector constitutes around 79.7% of the GDP, followed by industry at 17.3% and agriculture at 3%. As of 2013, the container terminal at the port of Djibouti has the bulk of the nation's trade. About 70% of the seaport activity consists of import to and export from neighboring Ethiopia. We depend on the harbour as its main maritime outlet. As of 2018, 95% of Ethiopian transit cargo was handled by the port of Djibouti. The port also serves as an international leveling center and transshipment hub. In 2012, the Djiboutian government, in collaboration with DP World, started contribution of the dollars container terminal as a major support intended to further develop the national transit capacity. A $396 million project. It is the capital of accommodate 1.5 million 20-watt container unit annually. Djibouti was ranked the 177 civil investment destination in the March 2011 Money contributing to improve the environment for direct foreign investment. The Djibouti authorities, in conjunction with various non-profit organizations, have launched a number of development projects aimed at highlighting the country commercial potential. The government has also introduced new private sector policies targeting the interest and inflation rates, including relieving the tax burden on enterprise and allowing exemption and consumption tax. Additionally, efforts have been made to lower the estimated 60% urban unemployment rate by creating more job opportunities to investment in diversity sector. One of especially when toward building telecommunication infrastructure and increasing disposable income by supporting small business. owing to its growth potential. The food and agro-producing sector, which represent around 15% of GDP, are also enjoyed raising investments in the 2008 to expand the modest industry sector 56 megawatts. With the Marlborough plant selected to be completed by 2018, is being constructed with the help of OPAC, the World Bank, and the Global Environment Facility. The facility is effective to solve the recurring electricity shortages, decrease the national reliance of Ethiopia for energy, reduce fossil oil import for diesel generated electricity, and the boost the GDP and lower the The Djibouti Virtual Investment SIS on a larger scale operation to industrialize the plentiful salt in Djibouti's lake as a region operating at an annual capacity of 4 million tons. The desalination project has lifted export revenues, created more job opportunities, and provided more fresh water for the area's residents. In 2012, the Djibouti government also has enlisted the service of the Chinese Harbour Engineering Company Ltd for the construction of an port terminal worth $64 million. The project enabled Djibouti to export over 5,000 tons of salt per year to market in South Asia. Djibouti gross domestic product 1985 under 0.5 billion, 1990 under 0.5 billion, 1995 under 0.5 billion, 1995 2000 up to 0.5 billion, 2000 up to 0.5 billion, 2005 under 1.0 billion dollars, 2010 up to 1.0 billion dollar, 2015 up to 1.5 billion. Djibouti group domestic product expanded by a class 1 cc by SE 4.0. Details: Djibouti gross domestic product expanded by an average of more than 6% per year, from $4 or 341 million in 1985 to $1.5 billion in 2015. Djibouti's group domestic product expanded by an average of more than 6% per year, from $341 million in 1985 to $1.5 billion in 2015. The Djiboutian franc is the currency of Djibouti. It is issued by the Central Bank of Djibouti, the country's monetary authority. Since the Djibouti franc is pegged to the US dollar, it is generally stable and inflation is not a problem. This has contributed to the growing interest in investment in the century. As of 2010, 10 convention and Islamic-based operation in Djibouti survived with the past few years, including the Somali Money Transfer Company, the Upsil, and BDCT, a subsidiary of Swiss Financial Investment. The banking system had previously been monopolized by two institutions, the Indo-Swiss Bank and the Commercial and Industry Bank (BGIMR). The assets are both credit and deposit sector. The government requires commercial banks to maintain 30% of share in the financial institution. A minimal of 300 million Djiboutian fund in upfront capital is mandatory for international bank lending, as which been encouraged by the creation of a guarantor fund which allow bank to issue loan to eligible small and medium sized business with the very current a large deposit or other collateral. Saudi investors are also reportedly exploring the possibility of linking the Horn of Africa, the Arabian Peninsula, with a 28 5 km long, 17.7 mi. Overseas bridge the tall Djibouti River to as the Bridge of the Horns. The infrastructure in London have been linked to the project in June 2010. Phase I of the project was deployed transport main article transport in Djibouti. Main terminal Djibouti Aboil International Airport. The Djibouti Amboy International Airport in Djibouti City, the country only international airport, serving main intercontinental regions with a giant characteristic flag. Air Djibouti is the flag carrier of Djibouti and is the country largely airlines. The UN electric fleet standard with Addis Ababa Djibouti Railway started operation in January 2018. Its main purpose is to facilitate direct service between the Ethiopian hinterland and the Djiboutian port of Doraleh. Car ferries past the Gulf of Tadjoura from Djibouti City to Tadjoura. There is the port of Dollars west of Djibouti City, which is the main port of Djibouti. The port of Doraleh is terminal of the new Addis Ababa Djibouti Railway in addition to the port of Doraleh. With the general cargo and oil import, Djibouti 2018 has had other major port for the import and export of gold and livestock. The port of Tadjoura, potash, the Demerchok port, livestock, and the port of Koupet Salt. Almost 95% of Ethiopia's import and export were to Djiboutian ports. The Djiboutian railway system is named according to the route classification that are considered primary, or are those that are fully pelted, terbedar, interlocked, and in general there carry traffic between all the major towns in Djibouti. Djibouti is part of the 20th century maritime strip road that runs from the Chinese coast to the upper Adriatic region, with its connection to Central and Eastern Europe. Media and telecommunication main article telecommunication and Djibouti and freedom of the press in Djibouti. The Djibouti Telecommunication Telkom headquartered in Djibouti City. Telecommunication in Djibouti fell under the authority of the Minister of Communication. Djibouti Telecom is the sole provider of telecommunication service. It mostly utilizes a microwave radio relay network. Fiber optic cable is installed in the capital, whereas rural areas are connected via various local radio system. Mobile cellular coverage is primarily limited to the area in around Djibouti City as of 2015. 22,000 telephone million and 312 mobile cellular lines were in use. The Zamewi 3 submarine cable apparatus to Jeddah South, Sicily, Marseille, Colombo, Singapore, and Mayon. Telephone satellite stations include one in Telsat, Indian Ocean, and one Arabsat. Medrap in the region microwave radio relay telephone network. Radio television of Djibouti is the state-owned national border. It operates the sole terrestrial TV station, as well as the two domestic radio network on EM1, FM2, and shortwave zero license and operation of broadcast made and regulated by the government. Movie theater include the Odeon Cinema in the capital. As of 2012, there were 215 local internet service providers. Internet user comprised around 99,000 individuals. 2015, the internet country top level domain is PJ. The main print newspapers are owned by the government: the French Ligue Daily La Nation, the English weekly Djibouti Post, and the Arabic weekly Al Khan. There is also a state news agency Djiboutian. The information and government news website are based abroad. For instance, see the Djiboutian operators out of Belgium tourism. Main article tourism in Djibouti. Article based on the Gulu of Tadjoura. Tourism in Djibouti is one of the growing economic sector of the country, and is an industry that generates less than 80,000 arrival per year. Mostly the family and friends of the soldiers stationed in the country's major naval bases, although the number are on the rise. There are talks of the visa on arrival being stopped, which could limit tourism growth. Infrastructure makes it difficult for tourists to travel independently because of private tour are hit. Since the route opening of the train line from Addis Ababa to Djibouti in January 2018, travel by land has also resumed Djibouti to main geological marvels. Lagab and Legasal are the country top tourism destination. The two sit draw hundreds of tourists every year looking for remote places that are not visited by many. Energy. Main article energy in Djibouti. Djibouti has an installed electrical power generating capital of 126 MW from fuel oil and diesel plant. In 2002, electrical power output was put at 232 GWh, with consumption at 218 GWh. At 2015, capital annual electric consumption is about 330 kWh GWh. Moreover, about 45% of the population does not have access to electricity, and the level of unmet demand in the country power sector is significant. Increased hydropower import from Ethiopia, with 65% of Djibouti demand, will play a significant role in boosting the country's renewable energy supply. The geothermal potential has generated particular interest in Japan, with 13 potential states. They have reached the contribution on one Lake Asal. The construction of the photovoltaic power station solar from Inken Bara will generate 50 MW capacity. Jura Afar Tagori Arabic Tajawara Romani Tajura Somali Tajura is one of the oldest towns in Djibouti and the capital of the Tajura region. The two rose to prominent in the early 19th century as an international port. To nearby Zeila, lying on the Gulf of Tajura, it is home to a population of around 19 inhabitants. It is the third largest city in the country after Djibouti and Ali Sabi. Tajura, Tagoria. Tajura town, the port of Tajura in Djibouti. Coordinate 11 derajat 47 and 42 derajat 53 Country Djibouti, region Tajura. Area total 7.356 km persegi or 2.840 SCMI. Elevation 4 m 1380. Population 2024 census total 18,808. Density 2,600 km persegi or 6,600 SCMI. Tajura has an district and is linked by very with Djibouti city. It is also known for its situated building and neighboring beaches along with its mosques. Sultan, the following is a list of Sultan of Tajura. 1620 Burhan bin Muhammad, 1630 Dini bin Muhammad, 1655 Kamil bin Burhan, 1655 Muhammad bin Dini or Muhammad bin Dini, 1680 Husain bin Kamil, 1680 Dini bin Muhammad or Nasr bin Muhammad, 1705 Muhammad bin Musa, 1705 Muhammad bin Dini, 70 40 Muhammad bin Muhammad, 1770 Muhammad bin Nasir, 1770 Muhammad bin Muhammad, 1800 or 1820 Mandaitu bin Muhammad, 1820 to 1859 ada Alam Muhammad bin Muhammad, 1860 to 9 Maret 1862 Muhammad bin Mandaitu, 1863 to 1879 Muhammad bin Alam Muhammad, 1880 to 24 August 1912 Muhammad bin Muhammad, 2 December 1913 to 6 August 1927 Muhammad bin Arbahin, December 1928 to 21 April 1962 Muhammad bin Arbahin, 18 May 1964 to 1984 Habib bin Muhammad, 1985 to 17 May 2018, Abdullah Qadir bin Muhammad bin Arbahim. Notable people: Dileita, Muhammad Dileita, former Prime Minister of Djibouti. Etymology: Governance Tagore derives from the noun Tugur of Toker, Pitager, mainly a fisher, got skin for drawing water. The name Tagore is specifically the river from the girl which man we attach other fisher that which has got skin flock to draw waters. It never remain abundant and all abundant with water. Climate: featuring an arid climate, 2 townships of average 186 mm or 7.31 in of rainfall per year. Average temperature range for 26 derajat Celsius or 79 derajat Fahrenheit. It enter to 36 derajat Celsius or 97 derajat Fahrenheit in summer. Climate Databor Tajora. Mau Januari, Februari, Maret, April, Mei, Juni, Juli, Agustus, September, Desember years. Main daily maximum derajat Celsius or derajat Fahrenheit. Januari 29.0 derajat Celsius or 84.2 derajat Fahrenheit. Februari 29.2 derajat Celsius to 84.6 derajat Fahrenheit. Maret 31.1 derajat Celsius or 88 derajat Fahrenheit. April 31.1 derajat Celsius 91.6 derajat Fahrenheit. Mei 36.0 derajat Celsius 96.8 derajat Fahrenheit. Juli 39.7 derajat Celsius 103.5 derajat Fahrenheit. Juli 41.7 derajat Celsius 107.1 derajat Fahrenheit. Agustus 40.6 derajat Celsius or 105.1 derajat Fahrenheit. September down 37.6 derajat Celsius 99.7 derajat Fahrenheit. Oktober 34.0 derajat Celsius 93.2 derajat Fahrenheit. 31.3 derajat Celsius 88.3 derajat Fahrenheit. Desember 29.7 derajat Celsius 85.5 derajat Fahrenheit. Years 34.4 derajat Celsius 94.0 derajat Fahrenheit. Dari main Januari 26 or 25.6 derajat Celsius 78.1 derajat Fahrenheit. Februari 26.3 derajat Celsius 79.3 derajat Fahrenheit. Maret 27.9 derajat Celsius 82.2 derajat Fahrenheit. April 29.7 derajat Celsius 85.5 derajat Fahrenheit. Mei 36.0 or 32.4 derajat Celsius 90.3 derajat Fahrenheit. Juni 35.7 derajat Celsius 96.3 derajat Fahrenheit. Juli 36.4 derajat Celsius 97.5 derajat Fahrenheit. Agustus 25.6 derajat Celsius 96.1 derajat Fahrenheit. 34.2 September derajat Celsius 93.6 derajat Fahrenheit. Oktober 30.3 derajat Celsius 86.5 derajat Fahrenheit. November 27.8 derajat Celsius 82.0 derajat Fahrenheit. Desember 26.2 derajat Celsius 79.2 derajat Fahrenheit. 30.7 derajat Celsius 87.2 derajat Fahrenheit. Menjadi minimum Januari 72.0 derajat Fahrenheit. Februari 23.3 derajat Celsius 73.9 derajat Fahrenheit. Maret 24.6 derajat Celsius 76.3 derajat Fahrenheit. April 26.2 derajat Celsius 79.2 derajat Fahrenheit. Mei 28.7 derajat Celsius 83.7 derajat Fahrenheit. Juni 31.7 derajat Celsius 89.1 derajat Fahrenheit. Juli 31.1 derajat Celsius 88.0 derajat Celsius. Agustus 30.5 derajat Celsius 86.9 derajat Fahrenheit. September 30.7 derajat Celsius 87.3 derajat Fahrenheit. 26.5 derajat Celsius 79.7 derajat Fahrenheit. November 24.2 derajat Celsius 75.6 derajat Fahrenheit. 22.7 derajat Celcius, 72.9 derajat Fahrenheit. Years 26.9 derajat Celcius, 80.4 derajat Fahrenheit. Average precipitation mm inches. January 13 or 0.5, February 10 or 0.4, May 17 or 0.7, 14 April 0.6, May 9 0.4, June 2 0.1, July 2 0.1, August 27 or 1.1. Search one primatedata.org. Altitude 12 m. Search to lower your girls. Transportation. She transferred from Djibouti City to Djibouti. It's like 2.5 hours for straight. And transport, the distance between Djibouti City is 130 km. Airport. Air transport. For air transportation, Djibouti is served by the Djibouti Airport. Rival view of a landing strip at the Djibouti Airport. It takes 30 minutes to travel from Djibouti City to Tadjoura Sultan.
Punished with 20 years of prison and a 50 million franc fine. 1,000 francs is roughly £5, so that 50 million franc fine is about £250,000. Don't counterfeit, kids.